Hello friends, in this lecture we shall discuss brownfield projects. Friends, when investors make investment in certain activity in certain project, they may make investment in those projects where they have to start from scratch, or investment can be made in those projects which are already working and they are modified according to suitability. What is brownfield project? Friends, brownfield project investment occurs when a company or government purchases an existing facility for starting new production. So a company or a government, they purchase an existing facility which is already working and then they start production on that. So such investments or investment in such projects is called brownfield project investment. So here it is an existing facility. Some new company purchases this facility and starts the production. So this is a brownfield project. What is advantage of such investment strategy? There must be certain reasons. The first advantage is the facilities are already available. So lot of cost, lot of time can be saved on starting the production. The cost of starting up may be greatly reduced. Since facilities are already available, the cost to start up, the gestation period, that can be reduced substantially. The brownfield facility has already obtained licenses or approvals from government or regulating authorities. Hence, no extra effort is required for these. For most of the projects, permissions from government or licenses from government authorities are required. Since this is already a running project, so no extra effort will be required in obtaining these type of approvals. So these are advantages of these type of investments. At the same time, there is a risk also. Now, what is the risk? The risk is that the existing facilities generally do not suit the purpose completely. So when a company is making investment in an existing facility, it is possible that that existing facility is not suitable completely for the purpose for which this has been purchased. Modifications or additions may be required. So to make it suitable, certain modifications, certain additions may be required to be made. So that is the risk in making investment in brownfield project. Let us see this example. To develop a new software by modifying the existing one may require lot many changes to synchronize the existing and new. So if this is a project relating to software, if a new software has to be developed and it is to be developed by modifying the existing one, lot many changes may be required. So this type of investment becomes brownfield project activity. Friends, brownfield activity is different from greenfield activity. Greenfield activity means the investment being made in a new facility which does not exist. A discussion on greenfield projects has been made in a separate lecture. Well friends, I'm sure you will be benefited by contents of this lecture. Thank you for watching this video.